Glenn, and this is Baddazz Garage, your RC channel. Well, today we went to a new track. The jumps weren't huge, but all in all, we had a lot of fun ripping it up. Let's check it out. Yeah, rip it, Cam. Rip it. Rip it, Cam. 72 Nivo. Yeah, rip it, Rich.
Yeah, you can just hear these brand new wheels chattering off the ground here.
Love that laugh. Yeah, launch it. Oh, Rich. Rich Stupid Bash. One of the best bashes on YouTube. Oh, hey guys. What's happening? Just watching a couple of my favourite YouTubers. Cameron on 72 Nivo and Rich Duper Bash. Two of the best bashers on YouTube. How about we go bashing? Let's do it. Hey guys, before we pack the car, I just want to quickly say I'm really sorry about the last video. You guys said that the sound wasn't the best. I'm really sorry about that. It sounded good on editing, but once it was on YouTube, it wasn't the best. But I've bought a new mic, so next video in the workshop, the sound will be just right. And today, we're going to take the Kraton, the new custom Kraton, and we're going to take my Outcast. But I've done a few changes to the Outcast. What I've done is, I've taken the Nero motor and ESC out of the Outcast, and I've put that in the MT410, and I've taken the 1770 X01 and Mamba X motor and put that in the Outcast. I just felt that because the Techno is a lot lighter than the Outcast, I thought it'd be better to swap the more powerful engine over. I think it'll suit it better, and I can't wait to let it rip. I've also put a new custom chassis protector on that as well, and a tail-to-tail brace. So I'm really excited for today because we're going to head to a new track that we haven't been to before, and we're going to test out the customization that I've done on both the rigs. So let's get it packed. Alright guys, it's pretty windy here today, so forgive me if you can't hear too well. It's very, very windy. First we're going to attack one of the smaller jumps, and then we'll get into the big stuff. Alright guys, let's do it. Oh yeah! Alright guys, let's try some bigger stuff. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alright, let's try something bigger. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Get on there! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yes! Get there! Oh yeah! Look, we've got some bushes. That's alright, they'll come out. Oh! Oh yeah!
Get there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh! Alright guys, outcast time. Go for the big stuff. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh! Yeah! 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 Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Guys, I've sheared the steering, the nut there. So that's it for the day, unfortunately.
Hey guys, well, what'd you think of the track? Jumps are a little small, but something different. It's always good to have something different. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. Can I convince you to subscribe and join the club? We're going to have big year this year, packed with fun, heaps of driving footage, maintenance, repairs, rebuilds, customization. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, smash that bell button and share it with your friends.